Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to add text on Canva. So very similar to how I added this Burger King text, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let me just delete this. So to add text to your image, let's say I want to add image text to this, click on text. You have to go to your text icon here. By the way, I'm using the app laptop app version, so you also, if you're using the phone version, it may be rearranged, but just find the T text icon and click on it. You can now proceed to add a heading, a subheading, or a little bit of body if you want to write a lengthy piece. So you can go ahead to write heading, and then I can choose I can give the lady a name, Nezera, and I can go on to edit it. I can change the fonts and choose a better font for her. Let me just choose something I've used. Let me just choose this horizon. I can choose the horizon and increase it. So I can take it up here to make it somewhat cinematic. I could also change, I think the color is okay. I could make it red. Okay, so this is how to add text. All these other ones I'm doing are just add-ons. So once you've changed the text, you can proceed to add other designs or effects you would love to see in your text, and that's how to add the text on Canva project. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Do have a great day, guys.